It's Vkillz.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. Baby. Lego.
Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. I'm back again. Yes, so I just showed you guys how in my last video I showed you guys how I made this necklace. In this video I'll be showing you how to DIY these hand fans. So this was a video request from somebody. They kindly requested me to personalize some hand fans for you guys using this Ankara fabric, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that. And it was actually quite easy. It's very simple and it's going to be a very short video. So if you'd like to see how I made these hand fans, you guys can keep on watching, and please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So the first thing that I did was to remove the original fabric that was there on the fan. So don't go for something that is like too strong. I tried to go for something that was a little bit cheaper, so something that I knew that it was going to be easy to peel off. And I was really trying like hard not to yank it too much, otherwise I was going to break the sticks. So that is how the little frame looks like without the fabric. And then so I decided to salvage the lace from the first fan, and I just carefully removed the lace using a seam ripper. Now using that fabric that I peeled off, I laid it onto my fabric, my African fabric, and then I pinned it down using some pins. So it would have helped if I had ironed it and made it flat, like so that way it would lay flat. But then I was just like a little bit lazy to do it, but it would have helped. So if you're gonna do this, you may want to iron your fabric. And then I just cut the outline using my scissors. Then next I pinned that lace that I took out from the original piece of fabric that was on the fan, and I pinned it onto my new fabric, and then I later sewed it on using my sewing machine. Now the next step was to now start gluing the fabric onto the fan. So first I laid out all the sticks of the frame onto the fabric and just decided the spacing and see how I was going to glue them. And then I also marked using a piece of chalk so that in case they moved, I would know where it was going to be. And then I started gluing all the little sticks one by one. So at first I was lifting up the little stick and then trying to draw like a straight line of glue on the fabric. But then later I realized that it was going to be easier if I used that little stick first as a sort of like a ruler, just by shifting it to the side and using it to draw a straight line, then moving the stick back in place. I also trimmed away some excess fabric. And then I left it to dry, and that was it. So in terms of folding, like the more you fold it, the more it takes shape and the pleats start to form. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you will like this DIY, and if you do, please like, comment and subscribe, and check out my other videos. And if you'd like to see how I made this necklace, I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box below. Bye.
By one, them a stepping on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2.